Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have an endless stream of wealth, while others struggle to make ends meet? Could investing be the key? Let's journey together into this intriguing world of financial freedom, a concept that remains elusive for many. This isn't about winning the lottery or inheriting a fortune, but about the transformative power of strategic investing. Financial freedom, a state where one's income from investments and passive sources surpasses their living expenses. A state where working becomes a choice, not a necessity. Yet for an alarming number of people, this concept feels more like a myth than reality. It's a distant dream, clouded by the daily grind and the pressing need to make ends meet. But what if we told you that financial freedom isn't exclusive to the lucky few? It's not a secret club reserved for Wall Street hotshots or Silicon Valley whiz kids. Instead, it's an attainable goal that can be achieved through smart investing. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not about betting your life savings on a hunch or following the latest market fad. Instead, it's a disciplined approach to wealth accumulation, a journey that requires patience, resilience, and a deep understanding of market dynamics. Imagine planting a seed and nurturing it over time. It doesn't bear fruit overnight. But with patience, care, and the right conditions, it grows into a healthy tree, offering shade and fruit for years to come. Similarly, a well-planned investment can grow and compound over time, providing a steady stream of income that can lead to financial freedom. So where do we start this journey? How about with a guide, a mentor who's walked this path and left behind a roadmap for others to follow? Enter Benjamin Graham, the father of value investing and the author of The Intelligent Investor. This book has been a beacon for investors for over half a century. The answer to financial freedom might just lie in the pages of The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. So, are you ready to turn the myth of financial freedom into your reality? Benjamin Graham's The Intelligent Investor is not just a book, it's a treasure trove of timeless investing wisdom. This is not an overstatement, but a testament to the enduring value of this seminal work in the field of financial literature. Allow me to set the stage. Picture this, a man named Benjamin Graham, born in the late 19th century, overcoming personal hardship and the tumultuous financial landscape of the early 20th century to emerge as one of the most respected figures in Wall Street history. Graham wasn't just an investor or an economist, he was a pioneer, a philosopher of finance who fundamentally changed the way we think about investing. His magnum opus, The Intelligent Investor, is more than a mere book. It's a comprehensive guide, a roadmap to navigating the often turbulent waters of the stock market. It's a beacon of knowledge, illuminating the path of value investing, a strategy that focuses on buying stocks at less than their intrinsic value. Value investing might seem like a simple concept, but Graham's genius lies in his ability to break it down into practical, actionable advice that any investor, regardless of their experience level, can apply to their portfolio. And let's not forget, this is a man whose wisdom has not only stood the test of time, but has also gained the endorsement of some of the most successful investors of our time. Take Warren Buffett, for instance, a name synonymous with success in the stock market. Buffett, a former student of Graham, has often credited The Intelligent Investor as the best book on investing ever written. He famously stated that it's by far the best book about investing ever written. But it's not just Buffett. The book has garnered praise from a multitude of investors, both seasoned and novice, who have found success by adhering to its principles. It's this widespread acclaim that has solidified The Intelligent Investor as the definitive guide to value investing. In the world of investing, The Intelligent Investor is the North Star guiding countless investors to financial success. The book is divided into various chapters, each one a wealth of knowledge waiting to be tapped into. Let's delve into the heart of The Intelligent Investor. Each chapter is a gem, illuminating the principles of value investing and offering insights into the mind of a seasoned investor. Chapter 1, Investment versus Speculation, Results to be Expected by the Intelligent Investor, lays the foundation. It distinguishes between investment and speculation, asserting that an intelligent investor always focuses on getting the maximum value for their money. In Chapter 2, The Investor and Inflation, Benjamin Graham throws light on the silent yet powerful force of inflation. He emphasizes the need for investors to understand and account for inflation while making investment decisions. Chapter 3, A Century of Stock Market History, The Level of Stock Prices in Early 1972, is a history lesson like no other. It gives us a panoramic view of the stock market's journey over a century and underscores the cyclical nature of the market. The fourth chapter, General Portfolio Policy, the Defensive Investor, presents a roadmap for the defensive investor. It underscores the importance of a balanced portfolio and guides us on how to achieve it, while also introducing the concept of margin of safety. In Chapter 5, The Defensive Investor and Common Stocks, Graham elaborates on the role of common stocks in a defensive investor's portfolio. He provides a set of selection criteria for such stocks, ensuring that even the most cautious investor can navigate the stock market with confidence. Chapter 6, Portfolio Policy for the Enterprising Investor, Negative Approach, takes a closer look at the more daring breed of investors. It outlines a negative approach, warning against the common pitfalls that an enterprising investor must avoid. Chapter 7, Portfolio Policy for the Enterprising Investor, the positive side, is the other side of the coin. It suggests a positive approach, focusing on the opportunities that an enterprising investor should seize. The eighth chapter, The Investor and Market Fluctuations, is a masterclass on dealing with market volatility. It teaches us how to keep a cool head, make rational decisions, and leverage market fluctuations to our advantage. In the penultimate chapter, Investing in Investment Funds, Graham explores the world of investment funds. He provides a comprehensive guide to selecting and investing in such funds, making it a valuable resource for both novice and experienced investors. Finally, in Chapter 10, The Investor and His Advisors, Graham underscores the importance of sound advice. He lays down criteria for choosing the right advisors and emphasizes the need for investors to think for themselves. Each chapter of The Intelligent Investor is a stepping stone on the path to becoming a savvy investor. Reading The Intelligent Investor is a start, but the real magic happens when you apply its principles. Now let's dive into the heart of the matter. The principles outlined in The Intelligent Investor are not mere theories to be read and forgotten. They are practical tools designed to be applied, to be lived. The book is a roadmap, a guide to navigating the often turbulent waters of the financial world. And like any roadmap, it's only useful if you use it to chart your course. Consider the story of Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of our time. Buffett didn't just read The Intelligent Investor. He applied its principles, lived them, and the result? A remarkable success story that continues to inspire millions around the globe. But he's not the only one. There are countless others who have harnessed the power of Graham's principles. Take the case of Bill Ackman, the founder of Pershing Square Capital Management. Ackman's investment strategies, deeply rooted in Graham's teachings, have led him to significant financial success. He didn't just understand Graham's principles, he applied them. Or look at Joel Greenblatt, the founder of Gotham Capital, whose application of Graham's value investing principles has led to an annual return of over 30% for his firm. Again, a testament to the power of living the principles outlined in The Intelligent Investor. These stories are not anomalies. They're proof of what can happen when you take the lessons of The Intelligent Investor and put them into practice. They show us that investing is not just about understanding theories and principles, it's about application. It's about taking action. So, how about you? Are you ready to transform your understanding into action? Are you ready to not just read The Intelligent Investor, but to live it? True financial freedom comes when you don't just read The Intelligent Investor, but live it. And remember, the best time to start is now. Embarking on the journey of intelligent investing is not without its challenges, but the rewards are worth the effort. It's like setting sail on an ocean of unknowns, armed with nothing but a compass and a map. That compass is your financial acumen, and that map is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. As you navigate these waters, remember that the principles laid out in this book will serve as your guiding light, your North Star. They will help you make sense of the financial markets, understand the value of patience, and realize the power of long-term investing. Investing isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. And like any marathon, it requires endurance, foresight, and most importantly, patience. So hold on to your compass, keep your map at hand, and steady your course. The journey may be long, the waters may sometimes be rough, but the destination, financial freedom, is worth every single storm. Your journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Make the intelligent investor that step.